Hello, welcome to Angular step-by-step course. Today I will discuss about the style binding. Style binding is one of the part of data binding. We can discuss the style binding in the attribute binding also. Attribute binding is divided into two types. One is the style binding, another one is the class binding. So the style binding according to attribute binding. So style binding nothing but a one-way data binding. So in Angular allows you to dynamically set styles for HTML elements based on the component properties. It allows you to apply inline styles or toggle CSS class-based conditions. So style binding denoted by using square brackets followed by the style attribute. Here we can discuss one example for that in detail. Let's open VS Code. I will open paragraph. Um, this is text with dynamic colors. So here we can give style attribute for that. The style attribute I will give text color, this name I will give string with red color. So you can see string in red color. Sorry, you can give style dot color. So you can see here in text, this text is with the dynamic colors in the red color. So if you want to implement some more style, you can give like this. This is another style for content. So in this you can give single style. In that you can use curly braces, color color in the single quotes and blue color in comma, font size 50 px. So I have given multiple properties in the style attribute, so you can see that difference. Yeah, this is another style for the content. So this is the style binding. You can style inline styles, and you can give in the TS file also. Depends upon your requirement, you can design that. So this is the style binding. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.